All right, guys, I am getting ready to load up the truck and get dressed, but I want to show you guys really quick what I've done thus far for my friend's party, and she's probably watching. Hi, Yareeth. All right, so these are going to be our little goodie bags, and I'm out of breath because I have been running around doing stuff with Watson all morning. And I hate to leave him, but I gotta go. These are the little sunflowers. I wish that they had some that were a little bit darker, but they didn't. So we're gonna use these for the cupcakes. I think they're really pretty. Let's go down to the basement, and I'm watching A Star Is Born. So let's go down to the basement and take one last look at the backdrop. Okay, all right, guys, so this is the backdrop. I think it's all finished. I love it, I love it. It's so full. It's almost like you could use this for a wedding. I mean, do you guys see the sparkly and shimmeriness of this backdrop? So this is basically what we're gonna do. We're going to stand in front of the backdrop and hold these cute little sunflower frames here. You guys know that I created these using just 2 pieces of poster board, and then I spray painted them and just did all these other little pretty little attachments. But this is so simple and just so, I don't know, I think it's just really cute and adds a lot of impact for pictures, you know. So I was loading the truck, and before I put these in, I wanted to show you guys these really pretty cupcakes, guys. Look at how, oh my gosh, just how summery they look, if that is even a word. It is so cold here in Atlanta, and these sunflower cupcakes just really make me think of not just spring, but summer, and just how I am looking forward to some really warm weather. But they're just so cute, so I just had to pop in really quickly before I put them in the car and show you guys how nice they are. I have made it to today's venue for the party. I don't think I told you guys where the party was gonna be at. I know I said it wasn't gonna be at my house, but guys, we are at Chateau Elan. I almost said Chateau Charest, but we're not at Chateau Charest. We are actually at Chateau Elan. It's a winery here in Atlanta. If you guys live anywhere in Atlanta or the surrounding areas, you guys know just how beautiful this place is. It is so amazing. I cannot wait to get out and share the views with you guys. As you can see, I am loaded down with party stuff. So I am going to look for someone here in a minute to help me unload everything. It's about 11:15 right now. The party actually starts at 12 o'clock, but I wanted to get here a little early and kind of set everything up. But again, guys, it's not going to be a clubby type party deal. It's going to be just a nice refined lunch with some beautiful ladies. The wine is going to be great. The food is going to be amazing. I didn't eat any breakfast today. Just really saving up the calories for this good food. So let me get someone to kind of help me unload, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. We made it inside, and it is so beautiful.
Happy birthday. Hi guys, happy birthday. Thanks to this. And you're so cute. Oh my gosh, you're so pretty.
I'll do last touch for a while because she came to America as a teenager, and in those days, you know, we didn't have, like, they had phones, but it was kind of difficult and expensive. So when I came to America, she was at family, and she came by the house, and ever since then, you know, we're like sisters again. And she is my friend, my counselor, my boss. And I love her very much.
Happy birthday!
So my name is Stacy, and I met Eureka first over the phone. We started having phone conversations because Eureka's daughter is the biological sister of my 2 adopted sons. So that's how we met. So I kept hearing about this Dr. Bo and Dr. Bo and Dr. Bo. And I was like, what is this Dr. Bo? And so the CASA worker said, let me have you guys exchange numbers and talk. And I was like, I really don't think I want to talk to this Dr. Bo. You never knew that voice. The first time we talked on the phone, we were talking about adopting our children. My husband and I were actually, we had a court date scheduled to finalize the adoption. And then Eureka was the holdout for Majay with the adoption. And we talked and we compared stories. And we decided we were going to be sister moms from that day forward.
This is one heck of a woman, because I had a lot of people don't know, but my daughter had a learning disability, and I didn't know it. Eureka was the one that got me through it. Taught me a lot of things, and I'm trying not to cry.
Happy birthday, Eureka. Happy birthday, Eureka. Happy birthday, Michelle.
On this journey, what are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to last. Any, mini, money, mo.
Okay, this is my partner in crime. Okay, this is Jackie. This is Eureka's cousin. She, guys, is also a crafter. All right, show him your arm. Show him your arm. All right, show him that arm candy. Okay, she made all of that. Guys, go check her out on Instagram. Tell them your Instagram.
June Plum, JUNPLUM. That's my Instagram. I'm also on Facebook at June Plum, and my email address is juneplum.com.
Her stuff is gorgeous. Show them that bag. You gotta open it. You gotta open it, cause see, we're so bright in here.
Oh, that's right.
Guys, she did the centerpieces.
These are little takeaway gifts for the guests.
Oh, so pretty. She's amazing, guys. She's amazing. And look at this bag. Look at this gift bag, guys. She also did the bags. Look how cute. All right, so let's take a look at what's inside. All right, so here's her theme for the party. Happiness is lifestyle. Okay, choose happy. All right, and so everybody got a bottle of Chardonnay, guys. Look at that. Everybody got a bottle of Chardonnay and a really...
Some money and gas in the car, so let's hit the road. Can't you see we're moving slow? It's dangerous, we'll see. We'll both be gone, but today we'll be safe and safe. We'll be gone. Rainy day, so you, let's go, let's go. Let's take a trip to a foreign place that we don't even know. Don't you feel we're moving slow? It's sudden, we'll see. The world's not waiting on you or me. You're the one I love, so love and have a little fun. Life is a journey, life is a miracle. Happy birthday, Eureka! Happy birthday!
My dad is her uncle. I just wish that her mom was here to hear all of this, and I know that her mom would be so proud of her. Just to hear the good things about her and knowing the background that she's coming from, the tree that was planted in her life. Aunt Joyce would be so proud of you today, just to sit here and just to hear all these people comment so beautiful about you. I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you for just being a part of her life and for her being a part of your life, because I'm proud of you. I am 6 years older than her, so I guess you know my age. So I just want to say happy birthday. God bless you. I will continue to pray for you. And may the angel wings continue to protect you and cover you in every step of the way. God bless you. Happy 50th.
Thank you. I enjoy people, and I cherish and enjoy friendships. So even if I haven't, there are people in this room that I have not picked up the phone and talked to in like 2 or 3 years. And I send but I know they're my friends. I see them on Facebook, I talk to them on Facebook, and I send out my invitations, and they're like the first one to RSVP, even though they're people I haven't like physically spoken to in a while. I mean, it's nice to have a husband and a boyfriend and all that good stuff, but when you're really, really, really going through, I think you need your girlfriend.
All right, guys, so right now we are about to end for the day. We are just taking a few group photos. This was so much fun. I have so much footage. I hope I am able to kind of condense everything and make a really nice video, but this was just so amazing. You're just an amazing friend. I think just listening to everyone's story today kind of illustrates just the type of person you are. I'm so glad I was able to attend, and I look forward to seeing you on your next birthday, if not sooner. Bye, girl.